Hey YouTube family, welcome back. It's Dr. Bove, aka Captain Crunch. Tonight we'll be adjusting Aaron. Aaron has been a patient for a while. He's a pastor at a local church. His daughter, Erin, was our blonde little girl, super cute
Super
video.
quiet.
Yeah, a little quiet, but that's all right. I was an introvert and quiet kid growing up as well. So, how are you feeling?
My hips definitely feel twisted as normal. The left one back, the right one forward, making my right leg feel longer than my left, and yada yada yada.
Mm-hmm. And then also this up here, also, this T12 area.
Yep. Same little trigger points as normal. So
okay. Yeah. Aaron's great because he already tells me, he's been around chiropractic a long time, so he knows his alignment issues, so it's easy. We also cut the grass, so we're going to do some sinus drainage today, which is good. It's awesome for the video.
Oh yeah.
All right, cool. Go ahead and lay it facing down.
All right.
Maybe we'll get some drooling or snot coming out of your nose for the video. That'd be great. Oh, awesome.
You need special effects for that.
Yeah. So yeah, what Aaron's talking about is each side here, it's a mirror image chunk of bone, the pelvis. They meet the spine right in the middle at the sacrum, the lowest bone. And there is movement. This is how they're supposed to move when we walk, the hips, just like that. Anyway, they are freely movable and they can rotate and get fixated in a certain alignment. Yeah. Thankfully, though, he adjusts very easily and resets beautifully. Perfect. Deep breath. Let it all the way out. Nice. All right, we'll just hug for that one. All right, turn and face me on your side. Okay. Beautiful. Good. Okay, flip all the way over. Perfect. Great job, as always. All right, go ahead on your back. Okay. Even. All right, we got a hug. Beautiful. Perfect. Very good. Let me have those hands. Keeping you tall.
Oh yeah. I always walk out of here an inch taller than when I came.
Great. The sinuses are just holes, cavities, and when we're exposed to allergens, well, it fills up.
It's interesting.
And it runs. Now, thankfully, that's what this technique is designed to do, is to try to keep it flowing.
Yeah.
If it gets clogged up, it's just a beautiful environment for bacteria to replicate, and that's when we wind up with like an infection.
Yeah, right.
And those are no fun at all.
No, they're not.
All right. Your C2 is off, and that nerve Oh, beautiful.
Went easy.
It did.
Mm.
Perfect. That nerve does go to your face and your sinuses.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Did you say C2?
Yep.
Hmm.
Headaches, balance, coordination, all upper cervical. Sinus issues, migraines,
Wow.
all upper cervical.
Maybe Mullen threw it out.
I could have. I could have. Do you have a riding or a push?
Push.
All right.
Try to stay mobile.
That's good. It's good exercise.
Yeah, it is.
Perfect. I want to use the Y strap just to pull on you a bit, but not to go crazy here.
Sounds good.
All right, lift your head. Nice. Thankfully, we got everything moving. Nice. Perfect. That's enough. Let's double check. Then we got to do our wrestling.
Oh yeah. Do your finishing move on me.
Yeah. Mortal Kombat? I love that. All right, come on
You know I
up.
had to.
Definitely. Standing, facing
Oh
up.
yeah, right.
Perfect. All right, have a seat. Okay. Mortal Kombat was the game.
It was the game.
Back in the day, come on.
Oh yeah, it was the best.
And the Nintendo Ice Hockey. Oh my god, you had the skinny guy who was fast, you had
Yep.
the medium guy, and then the heavy guy.
Yep.
That was the 3 players you got to choose.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Everything looks beautiful.
Awesome.
Awesome. Well, thank you. Thank you for tuning in, YouTube family. Subscribe, like, and we'll keep making these videos. I'm going to keep making them anyway, so whatever. Thank you, Aaron. as
Thanks, Dr.
always.
Bove. Appreciate it.
Awesome. See ya.